Tampokererani, vamama na vadada. This is a quick video just to update you guys that Chitumbuka na Loreni will be on fire in 2026. I have been doing background work because a lot of you have been emailing me. Some of you have been sending me messages on WhatsApp to ask about if I have a guide or I have a book or I have that. So it's something that I'm working on. But yeah, a lot of plans will be known in 2026. But I'm also coming in full force here on YouTube. So please, I haven't forgotten you, because how can I forget my stuff? It's my language. Come on. I haven't. Just that sometimes life can take a piece. Yeah, so but I'm around and I'm fine, and yeah, so looking forward to 2026. And before the year ends, because today is 27 December, before the year ends, I will give you a proper video of a recap of 2025, where I'm teaching you, I'm talking to you in Chitumbuka, so you can also understand about the milestones, what, what, what it is in my language, and all of that, but also in my real life, so you can get to know me as much as you are also learning my language. Okay, so it's both things. I hope you are excited as I am, because I want 2026 to deal with this channel differently. There is a lot of people interested, and already I've seen subscribers have increased to over 300 already. We're close to 400, which really in a very short time is a sign that you guys like the content that I'm creating. So I will be making that content for you here, and I truly appreciate you, chomene. Yeah, unad Tawonga chomene. Thank you very much. I appreciate a lot. Thank you. Bye.